Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we're going to show where should you pronounce k for this letter k, k, and where should you pronounce k for the letter k. So let's start. If you see k at the beginning of a word, you have to obviously pronounce that as k sound. Like you can say can, could, can, come. And if you see k after s, then you have to pronounce this as k sound, like scandal, scan, scarce, scot, and so many. So you can see if the sounds p, t, k comes after s, they are not aspirated. Those are aspirated sounds in English, but if they comes after s, they are not aspirated. This is a very important rule. If you see this, don't pronounce Scotland, pronounce Scotland. So this was all for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Allah Hafiz.